Good grief, Charlie Brown. It's almost 7 o'clock at night. It's deceiving when the sun doesn't go down till 8:30 or so. And could I finish up tonight and pull wires and do all that and backfill? Yeah, I could, but you know, I'm not going to. I still got more stuff to do. I still have to dig this out over here. I think I'm going to call it for tonight. I usually don't like to leave open areas in case somebody trips and falls, but you know, here's the sidewalk if somebody were to walk up to our front door, and I'm just going to kind of resituate things and have at it tomorrow. Hey, you know, at least I see progress. I can run the wire through here. I talked to my wife. She likes the idea of a downlight there, and uplight there. So we'll put a downlight there, and then we'll tie it into that existing wiring over there. Kaboom! And you know, because we're putting a downlight there, I decided, hey, let's put a downlight over there. I didn't realize this chase was going to be here. Had it been over there, maybe we wouldn't. So the thing is, we might not even use this area for a light at all. But you know, there's not much wire, so I can still take that wire out. If we don't do anything, I can still pull it out that long, wrap it up, put it down there in the ground, know exactly where it is in case we ever need to get to it. And in fact, right here, if I wanted to, I could tie it together right here, and then this wire would be hot. Then I could strip the end back, put some wire nuts on it, put electrical tape on it, and it's a hot wire that goes to nothing. Or I have to leave it disconnected over here, you know. And I might leave it disconnected, but then if I ever want to add a light over there, then I have to dig it up through the decomposed granite, through you know, the finished landscaping and all that kind of stuff, and then fix it. So I might just put some wire nuts on it and call it good over here. You can do whatever you want. You see what I mean? But now's the time to do this kind of stuff, isn't it? And I'm thankful that I found all these little pipes here to run my wiring through the sprinkler line pipes, just like I did. You see what I mean? And this one, I still have to do that one too. Okay, so I think that's it for today. And next time I'm out here, yeah, I'll make some more videos. Don't worry, I'm not done with you yet. Well, that's all I got for this time. Ooh, but I'll be back with more videos, always more videos for you, so you can save more money around the house. Because had you have called an electrician out here and done all the digging and the investigating and running the lines, I mean, he's gonna charge you an hour and $150 an hour probably, no joke. And then for the wiring, and for his labor to go get the wire, and for his labor to go order the lights and get the lights over here. I mean, you're going to be paying a pretty penny just for your landscaping lights if you were to hire an electrician. But you keep watching these videos. I'll show you how to hook these up, and you can save all that money if you're so inclined. That's what my videos are about.